Hey peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on exponential equations using the Euler constant E taken from the 2019 IEB Paper 1. In this question, we might prefer to make a substitution. So when we have e to the x plus 12 over e to the x equal to 8, it's quite intimidating. But if we go and we make a substitution for our e to the x, so let's call that k. Let e to the x equal k. Now we're left with something that is a little bit less intimidating. So we can make our substitution, multiply through by our lowest common denominator k, and we get a quadratic equation. We can write it in standard form, and then we can factorize in terms of k. So when we are factorizing, we have k squared minus 8k plus 12 equal to 0. And we factorize k minus 2k minus 6 equal to 0. So k is 2 or k is 6. But k wasn't k. K was e to the x. So e to the x is 2 or e to the x is 6. Now for us to solve for x, we're going to change these equations into log form. And log base e is ln. And therefore in log form, ln 2 is equal to x, or ln 6 is equal to x. And that is an exact answer. We do not need to type it in our calculators to get a decimal equivalent. We can leave our answers as ln 2 and ln 6. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.